Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you this protective nylon sleeve for your hydraulic lines or for chains, ropes, anything that's going to need some abrasion protection. This is a really awesome product. So this is from Tompkins, and this is the NHS 77. It's a 1¼ inch sleeve. And it comes in 300 feet, so you can cut it down to size, use whatever you need, and you should have plenty of sleeve for your projects. So this stuff is awesome because it actually gets stronger over time. So as it is worn, the nylon on this will frizz a little bit. It actually makes it a little bit thicker and more protective. So we have it here on some ropes that are used for towing. So these ropes definitely need to be protected from abrasion to keep them intact, especially for things like off-roading, attaching to a winch. So really need to keep those ropes protected. So this is a great product to do just that, but it also has many other uses. Any other ropes, lines, chains, things like that that you need to keep really well protected. This is an awesome choice, and that is my point of view.